This is a Map Business Online video just to show how to uh, import an exported CSV file from Map Business Online into Excel. So to open an exported Map Business Online file from within Excel, you have to access that file, and then it's opened from a CSV file into an Excel file. So you would open Excel, click Open, find your file, and there's my exported zip codes. This has been exported out from Map Business Online onto my desktop as a CSV file, a comma delimited file. And so when I get my import wizard open, and you can find that import wizard, if you don't have it open right away, you can find it by clicking Data and then just go to the Open process. Select your file and then choose the delimited option up here. Click Next. Then choose the comma option, which parses everything out into columns. Click Next and then Finish. Now you have a readable file format here for your spreadsheet that's been exported out, and you can save that as an Excel file, and you can say it's from Map Business Online or whatever you want to call it, and then save it to your desktop that way. And so that's how you open a CSV file exported from Map Business Online from within Excel. Go to mapbusinessonline.com and take our free trial. And I am going to